Have a look at those London buses down there. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Bournemouth for the Bournemouth Bus Rally 2025. Yeah, this Bournemouth event is kindly supported by Moorbus and has teamed up with Bournemouth One as its official radio partner for 2025. It's a popular event and aims to keep the history of public transport alive and engage new generation. Stagecoach. One from Cheltenham there. Got the old Midland Reds. It's not Midland Red, it's Cheltenham. It's really look-alike one. Open top of us, lovely. Lovely for a summer's day. All the old buses. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Put your bag on your back now. Yeah, welcome to the channel today everyone. Today we are in Bournemouth for the Bournemouth Bus Rally. So for all you bus lovers, enjoy. It's a lovely day here today. All the buses here from way back in time. And you got all the stalls along here. We're gonna have a look at some of the buses and have a walk around and see what we can find. Perfect weather conditions, it's dry and a gentle breeze today. Have a look at the stalls after and we'll look at some of the older buses what are here today. Who's ever interested in the buses, old and new. As you can see, you've got all sorts of modern buses here today. 24 plates, 20 plates, 59 plates. A nice slow walk around for all the bus lovers. Luxury travel one there and Lewis's coaches. Yeah, people probably know more about it than what I do. So if you've got any questions or want to know anything, or you know anything that you want to tell me about any of these, just leave a message in the comments. Yes, I do drive buses for a living and I don't know that much about everything about the buses, but I know some. So if I get anything wrong, just leave a message in the comments and I'll get back to you, and much appreciated. Stagecoach. Old Bournemouth bus there, coach. Yeah, quite old. Yes, I think the newest bus we got is a 20 plates. I think people have bought, obviously own these buses, they're privates, and all travelled to the south of England, or they live local to the area down in the south. But yeah, it's a pleasure to have a look at them, and I hope you enjoy the video, everyone. Have a look at those London buses down there. Yeah, 3 London buses down there. Have a little look at this green London transport bus here. Now that was one here this morning. Yeah, if you're thinking of coming to the Bournemouth bus rally, in for a good day, and it's at least the sun's shining today. Yeah, you got the London Transport next to it. To hire a bus, apply 55 Broadway SW1A. Yeah, London Transport, and everyone's having their pictures taken. Three London Transport buses there. More like garage. And the rain, and that was here this morning. Yeah, so let's have a look. The queue over there is for free bus rides to Bournemouth. Over there. Someone having a lot of fun over there. The troublemakers. Yeah, the queue for the Bournemouth bus. Take you to Bournemouth from here and bring you back, and it's free of charge as well. Yeah, all of them are getting on there. The Freedom one, they're all going off to Bournemouth from here. It's like a shuttle bus is operating here today. So another one coming round now to take them all over to Bournemouth. Yeah, you got some stalls here today as well. You buy all your model buses and things like that in there, and there's quite a few stalls up here. There's a more bus there. Yeah, it's all free travel today. Just jump on and enjoy the ride. Today, there's some model stuff here.
Okay, take care. See you later. Yeah, keep in contact. 2 weeks on. First week, 2 bits. Right, well, that's what I probably do.
There's an old Mallard Road depot there. Football ground, 35. Bournemouth radio. Bournemouth. Radio for Bournemouth. Not a bad station actually. I've had it on in the car. The best songs on the road. Yeah, you can buy your model buses here and some trains as well. So quite a few things. Got some trams here. Drums.
Yeah, but I've got a 12-volt powered call box, which I have in my work.
All your bus stops. Old ticket machines and everything. It used to be on the buses at one time. Ice cream man, big chef if you want that. Yeah, plenty of stores to look around. It's not a massive bus rally today. If you're interested in going to even bigger, Stokes Bay is the one over Portsmouth is the one for that. But that's in August. I'll leave a link in the description for that one. Yeah, all your buses, model buses and all that. Oh, there's one coming right now. Yeah, the Cheltenham one. That's come far, unless somebody owns it down this area. It's come from Cheltenham. And lovely old sort of Midland red bus. Yeah, yellow bus round here. I'd run out of Bournemouth and that. Yellow buses. Hants and Bournemouth. A small little bus there. Reserved to number 5. There's one bus leaving down there on the way to Bournemouth. Free travel today. If you come down here, it's free travel on the buses to Bournemouth and back to the bus rally. If you fancy a couple of hours in Bournemouth, you can do so for free. There's one open topper. Right, let's have a look at some of these up here. There you got the yellow bus there. There's another yellow bus here. Older sort of bus. Hanson Bournemouth Bus Preservation Group. I think that's the one I went on earlier, actually, this one. I went on that one earlier. And you got a massive deck chair advertising the yellow buses here today. Yep, 3 yellow buses. Yep, sitting. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Well, if you enjoyed that short video of the Bournemouth Bus Rally, please like, subscribe, support the channel and give us a thumbs up. Get it pushed out even further to more people who are bus lovers. Anyway, yeah, the stage day is in August, and if you're down this way, you can go to that one, and I'll leave all the links in the description. Just look it up on Google and that'll give you more info for that. Anyway, from Bournemouth Bus Rally, I wish you have a good day and have a good week. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. It really helps YouTube recommend it to others. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.